Okay, in this video I'm going to be doing a startup shutdown of my LG window air conditioner. Here's the fan blades, and I'm going to set it right next to the compressor. Well, this was requested by Dream Guardian Productions. So, where's the camera? Okay. I'm trying to determine. Yeah, okay, there's the fan blade. I'm going to be doing a startup shutdown right next to the compressor. It's raised up, so. Oh, wait, never mind. Let me move this. I'm confused here. Okay. There's the fan blade. There's the fan blade. You can hear that. Okay. Here. It's right next to the compressor, too. It's starting now. There's the compressor. Oh, it's starting to blow hot air. I know you can't really hear the compressor because it's very quiet. But yeah. See if it starts blowing cold air inside now. And there's my dog over there. She's just staring at me. Okay, yeah, now you can start to hear the compressor. Okay. Yep, it's starting to blow cold air now. Let's see what the thermostat says, because I had it off for a while. Yeah, 77. But it will start going down. Very nice. That concludes the video for today. This is the inside of the tent, though, and that concludes the video for today.